Hi everyone. Today we present you with our weekly insight on extracting parameters for tagged spaces in AutoCAD. In this basically what we are going to use is data extraction tool in AutoCAD. Capricorn Technology Private Limited is now a part of Arkins Group, serving widely in adoption of computer-aided design solutions and its integrated workflow. Myself, Anurag Pamnani, the solution specialist for architecture at Capricorn Technologies. In this insight, we will be covering first, extracting parameters that are associated with defined spaces like areas or parameter. Secondly, exploring added data extraction settings. And third, we will be looking at modifying the tabular table by adding other spaces which is associated with its entities. Let us move on to the live demo now. So here I am onto my software interface screen, and as you can see, it's a normal plan. And here I have to fetch out the data with respect to various rooms and its area or a perimeter of it. So I have already marked these polylines into my CAD drawing, where it is more concerned with the room areas and its perimeter. And the way we are going to extract it is using the data extraction tool. So again, under the annotate tab, we have an extract data, and I can choose any of the files. I can also make some of the new files. I can do anything in it. Likewise, I can choose the file which previously I was working upon, and I can replace it with it for a while. And I will say next. So you can already see that there is a polyline, or I can go back again. I can choose it again, which line I am talking about. So this is the one, and I can go on next. So this becomes my bedroom number 1, and I can do next. And under the category filter, I can check on the geometry tool where I can check on the area and length. There is no need of global width, so you can uncheck it. I can do next, and I want to insert a table. And this calculation, so I have given the table name as area calculation table, where a title will come, header and data will come. And I can choose finish. So here is my table. Let me scale it by somewhere around 50. So in case it works, yeah. C, enter. 10 more. Yeah, so this becomes okay for me. And now what I will be going to do is I need a complete table for this complete plan. Okay, so now I need a second area to it. So how can I add that area onto this table again? So first of all, what you need to do is you have to click on the entire table and unlock it so that you can edit it accordingly. Secondly, you have to click on the area, right click on data extraction, and then I have to edit in data. So meanwhile, I will select another object which will come onto the same table. So here is the first one, here is the second one. I will say enter. Next, table 1, same things, next. Now you can see two of the bars have been appeared over here as an entity to give us the data. I will do next and insert it onto the same table, right? And make it finish. And select the object where you need to enter that. Just now you can see a new column and rows have been appeared over here in the table. I can look for that. What's the size? Text height is 90. So that's why it's not visible over here. I can choose the entire row and can type 90 similarly. Now you can see the row has been appeared. And I can again make this as unlock the table, and I can check once that this is 145, which is my bedroom number 1, and this is my bedroom number 2 usually, which is of an area 20588, right? So 20588. So this is my bedroom number 2. Double click on it. Firstly, unlock it. It's okay. Then you can just go and double click on it and you can add it. So this becomes my bedroom number 2. Similarly, if I need to add another, so same thing, under this, going on to data extraction, edit the data extraction settings, select whatsoever you require in the drawing. This, 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 enter, next, next, next. Now 3 entities appeared over there. Next, finish. Select the table where you need to add it. Select the row again, make it 90. Text size as 90. One more thing appeared. Now this is my puja. So you can just add it unlocked, right? And double click on it and say it's in puja. So in this way, you can easily sort out the data and create it. So that's it for today's. Hope you guys had an insightful session. We shall be presenting with other insights on upcoming videos. Do subscribe to our channel for all the updates. Do reach out to us for any suggestion or query. See you in the next week. Thanks and take care.